Just checked into Disney's Grand Californian hotel here at the Disneyland Resort, and we are in a standard 2-queen room. So let's take a look through. When you first come in here, you get a nice little entryway with some hooks for coats and things. And you do have a closet here. I'll open that up in a minute. And then just off to the left, you have kind of like a split bath layout. So you have the sinks here in the front part. I love the little stool underneath there for little ones, and it's got the little hidden Mickey on it. And a little laundry basket, which is nice. Hair dryer, extra toilet paper. And you do have the toiletries here. I'll show you those. So nice little bit of upgraded stuff. Do love the little succulent. It's actually a real plant. That's kind of a nice touch. And you do have some extra stuff over here, loofah, dental kit, and some mouthwash. So it's a nice little extra touch that you get in this hotel that you might not in some of the others. And then over here you have the sliding door that goes into the bathroom. So the toilet here and a nice really big shower with a bench in the corner, and then also the rain shower head, which I love. And then you can see back here they do have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And I love the artwork detail in here. Craftsman style with Chippendale, the oranges. Nice little touch. We'll circle back around. Let's take a look at the closets here. You do get bathrobes in this hotel, which is really nice. It's a nice added touch. Get the safe there, hangers, irons behind the bathrobes. And you also have slippers down here and a bag if you need to do laundry, if you need to send that out. And then the extra pillow and blanket. And it looks like they do have the steamer here, which is nice. I know a lot of the Disney hotels, well, it's actually a steam iron. Some of the Disney hotels are switching to actually steamers, which I prefer much better. They haven't quite done that here. And here you do have the little coffee station, ice bucket, some glasses, a Keurig. And then if you look in the drawer just below, you'll have all the coffee amenities and tea, and then like the little kits here and some to-go cups. And you can get those replenished daily, or you can get your housekeeping to give you some extra of those. And then just below that, you do have the little mini fridge or cooler. It doesn't really get that cold, but good enough for some drinks and fruits and snacks that you might bring back to your room. And then just to the right of that, you have a nice little workstation. You got several outlets and USB plugs, which is good. Nice big mirror, love the stained glass lamp. And then they do have a room service menu, which is nice. I've not done room service at the Disney hotels because I'm usually out going to a lot of other places, but it's a nice touch, especially if you're here late and you don't want to go out, or if it's rainy or anything like that. So you can even get your Mickey-shaped waffles, so that's always fun. And then swing back around, since this is a 2-queen room, you can see the 2 queen beds right here, and they kind of continue that theme of the craftsman with Chippendale and the tree and the oranges. Nice comfy beds, always love a Disney bed. And then some fun artwork here, kind of hard to see a little bit with the lights reflecting off of it, but like the old wineries and stuff that used to be in these areas, not so much anymore. These beds are elevated, which is nice, so you can put your luggage under there. That's a nice touch to be able to get things packed, unpacked, and then out of the way. And then here you got the TV, some more outlets and things for plugging in. USB, you gotta charge those magic bands before you go into the parks. And then 6 nice deep drawers here so you can put things away. It does have a small couch right here. And then the second bed on the other side. Again, it does have storage under the bed, which is nice. And then in the middle, again, more outlets, more USB. This actually has, looks like USB-C on the side of it for the clock radio, and then also the wireless charging on top, which is kind of nice. Hotel always has the fun pens that I like to take home, collect those, so we will take that with us. And then some information here about how to get online and some other stuff about the hotel and phone numbers. And just swing back around. It's a nice spacious room. Smells great in here. Smells very clean, very new and refreshed. I know they are doing some refurbishments right now, so I don't know if this room's undergone anything like that recently, but it's nice as usual. And then some more fun citrus throwback artwork here, since we are in Orange County and this area used to all be orange groves. And then I'll probably get a video tomorrow and just add it on the end of this to show our balcony and our view. We're just kind of overlooking the entryway of the hotel. So not a great view right now. You can see the Pixar Place Hotel over there. And then right across the way is the Disneyland Hotel. So I will show a view of that in the morning. But it's a nice little place to have some coffee and tea, and can't wait to hit the parks. And then here is what the balcony looks like in the morning hours. So nice. Great little place to have some coffee and tea in the morning. View of the Pixar Place Hotel, Disneyland Hotel, and then you can see the backside of the convention center here in downtown Disney. It's just on the other side, but yeah, it's a nice, great space. So if you are interested in this hotel, learning more about the Disneyland Resort or any of the other 2 hotels that you can see here, let me know. I come out here quite often and specialize in Disney vacations, not just for Disneyland, but also World and Cruise Line.